guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to be installing the GFB DV Plus on the Mark V Golf. So the missus doesn't know that I'm actually doing this. I did tell her that I'm not just detailing the car, so I did that episode 2 episodes ago, which is still the same night. So let's get stuck into it. Let's pop the bonnet and see what we need to do. Alright, so last episode I just went quickly through everything that came in the GFB DV Plus for the 1.4 twin charged engine. So we've got the instructions there and we've got the car there. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, we're going to get started. It is a bit warm still. Alright, so with the cover, so quite easy to take off. We do need to get this off. So this is the diverter valve right here. Quite easy, yes. And getting that off is the smart thing to do as well. Okay guys, we need to get this part off. So we do have T30. So I got one here, one here, one up here, and one here. Good trick for some leverage. Oh, that's hot. So it's here that we need to take off. Let's get some clothes. Okay guys, this is a pipe plant. All this plastic. There we go. Okay. So we do have O-rings that seal these. They are in there. Still in there. So I might chuck a little bit of oil on that when I put it back. So now we can access the diverter valve. So 1 and 2. 5mm hex key. There we go. Right, get that unplugged, and that is an easy one. There. There's the original. Oh wow! If you can see that, that's not straight. Okay, let's change it. Alright, so I'm just getting all the GFB stuff out. The spring, standard bolts, the main spring, piston, this plunger, this side. Alright, so what we need to do is take off this one. Factory yellow. That's the factory yellow. Carefully pry the pistons around from that looks stuffed anyway. Okay. And there we go. Yeah, it's broken. Maybe that's what's been the issue the whole time. Well, it didn't come off like it should, but anyways. There's a spring. Remove the second yellow O-ring. I think this might have been a part. There's no O-ring. If you guys saw it fly somewhere. Let's check my O-ring stash. Far out. Wow, I actually found one. Very, very lucky. Alright, so we'll take. Oh wow, see the difference? Standard, GFB. Alright, we get you in there. We'll go plunger. Hey. Yep. Supposed to go hard onto it. Sorry guys. Just having a bit of trouble getting it seated properly. Oh, it wasn't recording. Yeah, that lip is not seating properly. Alrighty guys, the GoPro's not charging, so it's going to be quick. This was too high, it's a little wall on the inside, so it wasn't seating properly, so I just had to shave it down. Other than that, it's been awesome. So, just keep going on, maybe another half mil to a mil off that, and that'll seat really nice, and then I'll get it all back together the same way that I pulled it apart. Alrighty guys, it's back on. Can't really tell. Looks normal. Let's do everything backwards. Alrighty, last little touch. If I remember correctly. Cool. That's it. Let's have a look at the old diverter valve internals. Alright, so this is the main thing. The piston, it was broken. And alrighty, we're going to take it out for a quick drive. Alrighty guys, we do have a squeaky belt. This is the first drive. Yeah, it's like 2:30 in the morning. Oh. Definitely feels like it's coming on a bit quicker. But I think it's still that transition between supercharger and turbocharger, and I think, yeah, we're really having a problem with the supercharger at the moment. or idler pulleys, tensioners, because you can probably hear it. It's squeaking. Might head down to the wreckers. There's a couple of TSI engines and some Golfs, and have to play around. And yeah. Alrighty guys, that is it for this episode. Installed the GFB diverter valve. Had to modify the original one just a little bit. Might have been because it was an earlier model. But yeah, I'm glad I changed that because it was actually broken, if you can see. And I just went for a drive, which you probably just saw, and it seems to be running a lot better. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and give me a thumbs up. Catch you next episode. Bye.